Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Install Remote Desktop Manager and gather target credentials and any vault keys. Open the app and immediately add a data source. This is your central configuration. Once done, connect to your credential vault or create an internal vault entry so credentials are accessible. Make sure to choose the right repository type and sync settings. This reduces duplication later. Now create the first workspace, and you're ready to add your first connection entry to begin remote management. Now you configure individual connections. Create a new session, select protocol such as RDP or SSH, then enter host address, port, and assign the vault credential. Use gateway entries for jump hosts and enable port forwarding when needed. Once set, apply a template and assign tags or group membership to maintain order across dozens of servers. Make sure to test connection with the built-in emulator. If it fails, check credentials and network access before moving on to bulk import or automation steps. Finish by saving your configured entries and setting role-based permissions along with audit logging so changes are traceable. Export a backup of your repository and schedule regular syncs to avoid drift across devices. If automation is required, configure macros or scripts now and test them on a non-production host. If things go wrong, a quick troubleshooting step is to revalidate the vault connection and ensure credential mappings are correct. Often connection failures stem from expired credentials or misrouted gateways, not the client.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.